Jennifer Fonseca? Fonseca? Jennifer Fonseca? I think Mr. Calvo is outside with him. Okay. All right.
20.
All right. There you go. All right. So you're on RSP. You're here with your attorney, Mr. Callow, on case number 11CR0553. Single. No children, one pending.
Your Honor, she has had birth of her child. We
Oh,
continue the sentencing previously.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
All right. So now she has one pending. All right. You did oral drug screen on 2-2. That was negative. Everything that was screened for. This case involves Dennis Staten. How do I know that?
Mr. Staten is currently in prison.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Scratch that, Judge. It's a different situation.
Different. Not Dennis.
It's the father. Right?
Well, who's Jeremy? Is that this your boyfriend, Jeremy?
Yes.
Jeremy takes the property, and then you receive the property. How'd that go down?
I used my ID, so that's how I got charged. Because I was there with him. He didn't have his ID, so I used mine because he told me to use my ID.
Use your ID for what? At the pawn shop?
Jewelry.
At the pawn shop, right? Is he the father of your child?
Yes.
All right. So what happened to him?
He's incarcerated.
For what? You seen stolen property or his theft?
He has 2 receiving stolen properties and a robbery charge.
All right. All right. So at least, all right. So Jeremy, anyway, he's in prison for RSP, and he's got 2 cases running concurrent time.
Yes.
All right. So you're saying that your involvement in this was to pawn it off, so to speak, is to use for pawning it off,
Yes.
your ID. Where did you think he got it from?
He told me he got it from Dennis Staten.
All right. Did you believe him?
Yeah.
All right. Well, okay. Do we have any agreement about this before we went down here? Before this went down?
I had a discussion with counsel. I had a what my recommendation would be, but we didn't discuss it with the board, Your Honor.
What's your recommendation?
Your Honor, Mr. Diesler had some other cases, robbery and another case, so he was sentenced to prison along with this case. We're looking to see if the victim can be made whole, and we're looking for some non-residential community control sanctions for Ms. Fonseca that would include $3,500 restitution to the victim.
You plan to take up with Jeremy when he gets out of prison?
Probably not.
What do you think I should do, Mr. Calhoun?
Your Honor, non-residential community control sanctions with restitution is also our agreement. We would ask that you prioritize restitution over payment of
We always do
supervision
that.
fees and court costs so that we can prioritize that. She has had some significant things happened in her life recently, particularly the birth of her baby, that has changed her focus. And I think also some separation with her prior boyfriend has caused her to rethink her lifestyle, and she's ready to be successful in formation.
Let's Ms. Hughes, Vicki Hughes, all right. What do you think I should do with you, Ms. Fonseca?
I would like to get put on probation.
All right. Well, I'm going to put you on supervision for up to I'm going to make it a 5-year period of supervision because I'm ordering $3,500 restitution. However, if you get the restitution paid off, then we'll consider, shortening down your period of supervision. You got to do 24 hours of community service. You have to pay a restitution of $3,500 to Vicki Hughes. I'm going to waive court costs, supervision fees only if you're employed. You do have to pay drug testing fees. I also want her to interview with Mr. Ron Blue, see if she's eligible for the Family Intervention Program. Now, you're going to have no contact with Vicki Hughes, and at this point, I'm going to order no contact with Jeremy Dessler unless you're ordered to have contact with him because of a court order. In other words, he gets a visitation order from a court, then you're going to have to let him see his kid. Okay, then that's one thing. But at this point, voluntarily seeing him is not going to be allowed. All right. If you were married to him, I might have to reconsider it only because it probably involves some constitutional issues. All right, now you're not married to him, so I don't have to worry about it. But frankly, this guy doesn't sound like he's a nice guy. This is my impression. All right. If you violate, you're looking at 6 months, 180 days in the county jail. All right, can I see council sidebar?